that, the lesson comes to a wrap.
Being able to create your garment is a skill that you would have for life. Just being able to conjure up something, put it into paper, into fabric, and then wear that. Honestly, I think that's just so cool.
Good morning, happy new year. It's the 5th of January today, and I'm going to be working on what could possibly be my biggest project yet of the year. By the time this vlog goes live, the project should have been revealed, and I am honestly so nervous because I've never done anything like this. I'm still used to just talking to the camera, being in control of the entire creative process, but I'm actually going to be working with SkillShare to create an original class with them on their platform, and we're going to be creating a shirt together. The production starts next week, and they've picked a location, and there's a production team. Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I think it's because I'm just used to working by myself, and now that I'm going to be working on such a grand project with a team, like an actual team of people that are going to be filming me and editing the video and then make it look all professional and clean and angles. I don't know how to act. Anyways, I thought it would be great to document the process of creating this original class, and at the end, sort of show you guys a sneak peek of what the class looks like. And you could go on to Skillshare to sign up, become a member, and follow along the class to pick your own shirt. I've never made a shirt, like a button up shirt, on the internet, and I thought it would be great to make this kind of like an exclusive project on their platform. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it. I try to choose fabrics and techniques that I think you find really useful and that you can transfer to maybe a shirt dress and any other tailored garments that you want to create for yourself in the future. But we have a meeting this evening to talk through some of the details and share as much as I can without revealing too much. So you kind of are able to follow along the entire journey of bringing this project to life.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Happy New Year, everyone.
For a while, we know what the class is, we know what you're doing. We can use this call just as the details for production, prep, and all that stuff.
Okay. Good evening. It's almost 6 p.m. and I've just spent the day sampling the pattern or the design for the shirt. I have it here on the table, and I'm just going to test the pattern on some calico. There are certain parts of the shirt that I'm a bit worried about because I haven't done it very often, like the sleeve placket, which is where the buttons or of a typical shirt normally sit and it goes into the cuff. So that and the collar, I really want to get it perfect before the shoot day, so I don't just feel nervous. I'm a bit less nervous today, so I think doing this sampling at home definitely has helped. Today is the 12th of January. I'm ready to head off to the location for shooting. I'm all done up. I feel like I should have worn lashes, but at the same time I want to be comfortable and not think about if my lashes are falling off, if they're lifting. So I've just done liner and mascara, and I think I look alright. I've packed everything behind me, all of my Kim Dave pieces, my option 2 for a top in case you don't like what I'm wearing. I have my bags, everything all set. I'm just waiting for the car to come get me and start the day. Let me show you my full outfit. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing the Jackpot shirt from my ready to wear line, and I've layered a black turtleneck underneath because it's really cold. This I've paired with a black denim skirt that has this really cute, don't know if you guys can see it, it's actually open on the leg. I have tights, boots, and I've kept my makeup more like the orangey tone with gold earrings, hair pulled back so I'm able to focus on the work that I have to do. But that's the look of the day. Love it. Okay, arrived at the location. I'm actually filming at This is what we'll be filming today. I have never seen so many cameras and so many gadgets just to capture one class.
And now you brought another one.
Oh my god, the quality though. I don't think I'm ready.
Just forget about them.
It's working now.
And just like,
Sweet.
okay,
Even
I'll
if
try
you
my
said, like,
best.
2 more
겨울이 오길 기다리는 아이처럼 내 맘에 널 그려 포근했던 나의 온기 눈을 닮아서 You're falling quietly piling up in my heart 우리 안에 모든 것 fade out 된 것처럼 너와 나의 세상 속에 계절을 보내 첫날 오는 날
End of day 1, we just finished and it's 8:40 p.m. I'm tired, honestly exhausted, but it went really well. The team has been amazing. We have Ben over there. Where are you, Benjamin? Ben is over there. You're blurry, so you're good. And then we have these 2 Spanish queens. The rest of the team has left, but I'm just waiting for my taxi to take me home, and I'll be back here tomorrow to finish up the shirt. And with that, the lesson comes to a wrap. I just spent the last couple of hours watching the preview of the class, and it looks so good. It actually looks really good, and I think I'm starting to feel even more nervous. Today is the 8th of March, and I think the class goes up next week. And I don't know how to act. I honestly don't. I don't know what is wrong with me. I think there are so many emotions going through me right now, and I'm going to show you guys a very short like peek of like a little bit of the class. I think I want to show like a little bit of the intro because I want you guys to actually go check it out for yourselves. I think for me, I am feeling this way because I'm thinking about everyone's time that's gone into this project. The producers, the videographers, the people who did the color grading, people who worked on the audio, who made the script. So many people have spent their effort, their time, and their resources into making this class come to life. And I'm not trying to belittle my own contribution, but I am just aware of how much goes into making a project of this size. So I'm just a little bit overwhelmed, but in a good way. Let me show you a little bit of the intro, and yeah, let me just show you first.
Being able to create your garment is a skill that you would have for life. Just being able to conjure up something, put it into paper, into fabric, and then wear that. Honestly, I think that's just so cool.
Okay, so today is the 11th of March. The class goes live on the 14th, but like the sort of like press and marketing is on the 20th. But if you have a Skillshare subscription, you'll be able to see it from I think Monday or Tuesday next week. So everything is going pretty well. I hope you guys enjoy this class and it's something that you actually find useful. I just wanted to come and thank everyone that was involved in this process, from the Skillshare team to Wendy Vision, which was a production company that filmed all of the amazing footage. Everyone on that team was so kind, because I was quite anxious and nervous going in, but they just like calmed me down, reassured me, and guided me through the entire process. And I'm just thankful for the people who gave me this opportunity and for you guys that got me here, because honestly, I think none of this would have been possible without your support and the grace of God. So I can't wait to see where God is taking me, taking us in this year and in future years to come. And this is our journey of like fashion design, content creation. I'm just so thankful, honestly speaking. So I'm going to leave the link to the class down below so you guys can check it out. I believe the link gives you a 1 month free Skillshare subscription, and then you can decide to join the platform and access so many like classes and lessons that honestly you can apply to, whether it's like a technical skill or your business or like a new thing you want to learn. There are so many different learning paths on there. I recommend it personally, not just because I have a class there. So go check it out. Let me know your experience. The class does come with a free PDF sewing pattern, so you're getting a 2-for-1 deal, which is actually really cool. The pattern goes from a UK size 6 to 24. Yes, I think that's I think those are the sizes, which is like a I'll say US 4 to 20 if I've done the conversions correctly. But anyways, I'm going to link it down below. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts. Please, if you use it, I want to see your shirt. Tag me on social media, share your results, and let's hype each other up. But thank you so much for watching this video, and being part of me with this journey, for being with me on this journey. Oh, English is hard. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.